Keeping your ALDI mobile account secure means ensuring your email address is up to date. This email is crucial for receiving billing notices, important account updates, and password reset instructions. If you've changed email providers or suspect your current email has been compromised, updating it is essential. Here's how. First, log into your ALDI mobile account through the app or website at aldimobile.com/login. Navigate to the profile or account settings, usually found under Menu, then Account, then Personal Info in the app. You'll need to verify your identity by entering your password and possibly a two-factor authentication code sent to your current email or phone. Then, enter your new email address twice to confirm it's correct and save the changes. Finally, check your new email inbox for a verification link and click it to finalize the update. This process typically takes just a few minutes and is free. By taking these steps, you're safeguarding your account against unauthorized access and ensuring you receive timely notifications. Sometimes things don't go as planned. If you encounter issues such as an email already in use error, contact ALDI Mobile Support at 1-855-546-4747. Remember to use a strong, unique email address for enhanced security. Looking ahead, the prepaid mobile industry, including ALDI Mobile, is moving toward more integrated digital ecosystems with AI-driven customer service. Expect to see more self-service tools, potentially including chatbots, to assist with account updates. Future trends might include AI-assisted email verification to combat fraud and secure logging of account changes using technologies like blockchain. By staying informed about these advancements and proactively managing your email address, you can ensure a seamless and secure experience with ALDI Mobile.